This video is going to go over installing your license plate bracket on your 80-volt RCR. All you're going to need is a 3mm Allen key. So to start off, we're going to just remove these two countersink bolts. Now that your brake light and turn signals are free, we're just going to cut this zip tie, bundling these together. So you might notice that this bracket, in order to get installed, this cable coming out of the taillight will be at a 90-degree angle. And because of that, you may not have enough slack in this cable for it to reach without having a lot of tension on the cable. So what you can do is just cut this zip tie holding these cables here. And that'll allow you to pull just a little bit of slack. So now when the bracket goes on and the cable's coming out, it won't be under too much tension. So it doesn't necessarily matter whether the turn signal goes on top of the bracket or if it gets sandwiched in between the brake light and the bracket. You're going to want to replace these zip ties holding these cables that we cut before. And it's all done.